Hey there, it's TZ here with Technological Gadgets, always bringing you the best in tech and make tech work for you. On this channel, we sometimes teach you how to improve the tech you already own for free. Other times, we do tech gear reviews just like this one to help you who are using your smartphone to create much better quality content. A smartphone is a great way to get vlogging since they shoot such great video quality and are always with you. However, the audio might not sound as good, and this is where this small microphone that is pocketable comes in handy. Besides, it costs just under $25. And before I get into the audio test and the rest of the video, I would like to ask, what phone are you using to create content on? Be it for Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube. Personally, I'm still using my Pixel 4a. First, let's take a look at the unboxing experience. It comes in this nice black box with a clear front showing you the microphone and the included windscreen. Turning it to the back, you see some of the specs. Moving to the top and opening it up, you can pull out a plastic tray, and on the bottom you get some documentation and stickers, which is nice. On the plastic tray itself, you get the actual microphone and the windscreen along with a small portable bag. Next, let's take a look at the microphone itself, which is made out of all matte black plastic with metallic accents, making it look very clean. On the top, you can see the actual microphone capsule behind a pretty tightly metallic woven grill with an extremely small shock mount supporting it. Below that, you'll find this part that moves back and forth, allowing you to once have your microphone attached to move it back and forth. Great for vlogging when you want to capture audio from the front or behind without needing to unplug and replug it in, which is cool. Moving even further down, you'll find the gold-plated TRRS headphone jack, which is perfect for smartphones that have it. However, if you don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, fret not, they do sell an identical model with a lightning port for iPhones and USB-C versions for other devices at $15 more. Not to mention, they include this small foam windscreen / pop filter that blocks out just a bit more wind noise and plosives if you happen to get a little too close to the microphone. Right now, I'm filming on my Pixel 4a's front-facing camera, but more importantly, using the onboard microphone at an arm's length away. So this is what you will be hearing when you are vlogging with the onboard microphone on the Pixel 4a or most smartphones for that matter. I don't like using the Ceremonic Smart mic with the included foam windscreen / pop filter. To make it work, all I had to do was to plug in the microphone and make sure I enable the use of my external microphone. So if it doesn't automatically work when you plug in this microphone when recording, you might want to check the settings and enable the use of the external microphone when recording. And as you can hear, it picks up more bass tones in my voice as well as clarity, and most importantly picks up way less background noise, which helps with the clarity issue as well. And make sure to let me know how you think this sounds compared to the onboard microphone on my Pixel 4a. And now onto my conclusion. If you are a vlogger or someone who likes to film a ton on their smartphone, I think this super pocketable external microphone from Ceremonics is definitely a great deal for just under $25 and one of the better value vlogging accessories made for phones. Even if your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, the Lightning and USB-C versions are available for around $15 more, and I'll be linking all three of them down in the description below. Anyways, I hope this video has helped you so far, and if it did, make sure to drop me a like to let me know, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in the next video.